switch off. Dah pun ong pang kemir, pang lock, pang spark, kynta. Dah dia minta light new I number, kawai switch off, kawai ong badi pralok, kawai wrong number. Kynta be kata number mas. Tengin yang ni wak cai. Ni lek saji MTD ba ailan. Yo la lek wak minta sana. Minta lah kan hadu November, lah long kudai benai. Minta dapat December kan long suka.
Long suka benai.
Baru tadi.
नहीं अभी तो कुछ आया नहीं हमारे पास बताइए था
We are from the VPP Youth Wings. VPP.
हाँ हाँ
We are here for these ladies who are housekeeping.
नहीं तो ये जो हाउसकीपिंग का है आप मेघालय से है ये मेघालय का अंडर में है कि यहाँ के अंडर में ये लोग क्यों ये मेघालय जो है वहाँ बारी पॉइंट है ये जो बारी पॉइंट है ना
Who are you? You ask.
नहीं that lady belong to अब किसके इसमें काम कर रहा है
हम लोग इटू मिक्रिश डोजी हम लोग फोन करेगा अभी इटू स्विच ऑफ इटू रॉन्ग नंबर बोला तो हम लोग कहाँ से मिलेगा
अब सरकार जीएम 12 जो है वहाँ पे मेघालय उनके अंडर में काम कर रहे किस कहाँ पे काम करे बताओ मैं कहाँ पे
हम लोग ईटनबी में काम ईटनबी
कौन सा ईटनबी
यहाँ में
मेघालय वाले ना
Do you understand English?
Yeah.
Okay.
We understand.
So this is the same problem.
नहीं
Last time also we are here.
okay. मिस्टर 12 ही थे ईटनबी का कब से नहीं मिला मैडम
अभी मार्च अभी तक हम लोग पैसा 1 महीना भी नहीं मिला
Since from March. Now is December.
तो वो उसका वेंडर को वहाँ का है क्या कहाँ का
अभी वेंडर हम लोग फोन करेगा
नागालैंड वाला है ना
रॉन्ग नंबर तो हम लोग कहाँ से
मेघालय डील करता है उन्होंने कहा है
हाँ मैं जी
ये बारी पॉइंट है ना ये अपना बारी पॉइंट लेके जो हैदरी पार्क है ना हैदरी पार्क
No, we can solve it here. We won't leave. If you not pay them today only, we won't leave. We will shut down the property. No. This is so many times. We cannot. We cannot.
ये तो मेरे पास नहीं है ना
No. You call them. You call here.
देखिए ये कोई पार्टी वाला आया है मुझे तो वो मेघालय ये जो है ना हेलो इनको पेमेंट नहीं हुआ है ना हाउसकीपिंग का हाँ तो ये लोग आए हुए हैं ना तो क्या पोजीशन है फिर कौन जी हम
बोलो उधर आप
ठीक है अभी आप कहाँ पे हो अच्छा यहीं पे ड्यूटी वाला तो अभी कहाँ पे हो आप
We are from Voice of People. How long you can take? So we are here for those people who are smoking here, ladies, housekeeping. So from March till December.
So, but in CSC, so agreement is not required.
And then this is not the first time you have come. So many times you have come. Last time you got married. Yeah, you come and see that. Okay, then today also we got received some complaints from the office due to not paying exactly.
So whatever is just with respect to that, whoever vendors that here, he has to make an assurance to all these people that he should be paying the salary monthly. plus an assurance from this office to pay him. I think that is.
You should cancel him.
That is
Because
important.
you should give the capable vendor who can pay these people. They are working day every day, not they working He want to
He should toilet, he should.
He has not submitted the bill also, because this Meghalaya PA, they have asked him to submit the bill. He has not submitted the bill.
So if that person doesn't meet the criteria, what is
And
needed?
he has not
what's the
received
point of
any
giving it?
bill also, and he has not paid to his employee also.
If he is not submitting the bill, at least 1 or 2 months, okay, but since so many months he is not submitting.
So many letters have been
This
issued by
is
me
employee
also.
harassment.
Meghalaya
This is
PA
employee
also,
harassment.
and we have also written, and even we have tried to contact him over phone. So many mails have been sent to him. He is not picking up our
So
call.
it shows that he is responsible to his job. So if he himself doesn't pick the phone, if he doesn't take the step to talk to you, and especially for this, on the midst of
We won't leave
Christmas.
today. We won't leave. We'll stay here with you until you make us assurance. You give from your office whatever
I think-
budget from your
I think
office.
I think from the office, it might be an emergency budget is there. You say, please.
It's not the
Budget is-
Yeah, we will be terminating him. If he is not responding as per the procedure, we have to give at least 3 termination notices and we have to terminate him. We terminate him, and then termination will not solve the problem. We have to find
That alone will not solve the problem.
okay, we will find the previous who was there.
Yeah, that we will terminate. Because clause is already there, very clear. It is there in the terms and condition of the tender, in the agreement. So that we will implement.
You see, these people, they got small salaries.
That I know.
You can walk out. It is
That
not
I
big
feel pity
salaries.
for them also. From the past 10 months not getting salary means how they will work, what they will lead. We understand. So see, this termination will not take time. It will take some few days. Procedure we will put it up. We want approval of our
Okay,
CGM
no, we just
also.
want the assurance.
But that alone will not
This is
solve the
what you should
purpose.
pay.
The
Can you
payment.
work us?
Huh?
Huh? Next week, no? Next week you should pay them.
Because,
Well, we will come again.
After next
See,
week, it's only
Payment is a different thing. Termination of the contract is totally different thing. First and foremost thing, what we have to do is we will terminate the contract first. Then after that, some solution will come.
If this issue will arise, if because from your office you have sent a letter to him so many times,
Yeah.
he doesn't respond, then we have to wake you up after this time. That is irresponsible from your side.
What's your name? What's your name?
All William.
Are you Christian?
Yes.
You're Christian. Imagine now it's the Christmas time.
Yes, service time.
Imagine these people, they are coming, they are crying because they are living hand to mouth.
That also I know.
Are you celebrating Christmas?
Yes.
So you're celebrating in your own home, nicely, happily. What about your own people?
So my people are in that situation today only I came to know.
That's all flow. Make from your emergency fund.
No.
You give that, no?
Emergency
This is
fund is not
emergency,
the
no?
issue.
Do you agree that this is emergency?
You are not understanding what emergency fund is not the issue. Methodology of payment is the issue.
Yes.
If contract is
Until
there,
you are able to solve issue with contractor, you do it as a temporary solution from your emergency fund, you pay them. You ask your finance officer, no?
finance officer.
If you are not in a position of understanding the situation.
No,
It is a contract.
उनको
It
डायरेक्ट
is a
में नहीं कर
contract.
सकते ना
हाँ,
ये
We make
प्रॉब्लम
payment
है
to the contractor as per the contract. We
That
will
will
make
be
payment to
later,
the
no?
contractor and
It is
contractor has to
immediate.
pay them regularly. But that, he has not even submitted the bill. So the problem comes from there. We are unable to locate him. Why he has taken like that, I do not know. From the past
See,
10 months, they have not got any such.
That is from your side. That is your problem. Contractor is your problem.
But from
Now,
this office,
yes, that
we
you
cannot
solve
give
later.
directly
No?
to them. No?
Yes. What we want is immediate payment, immediate salary. At least relieve them for this December. 9
You got
months
your
is not
salary,
there.
huh?
You got no.
You sit in big share, you got a salary. Huh?
What about
them?
others? What about these
What about them?
downtrodden?
No, I
You think they don't have stomach? You think they will
I
eat?
also know, I also
Then
know.
You serve them at least this December, no? Christmas time has come.
No, we have to. I am not saying we don't solve the problem. What I am trying to say is we have to find a methodology to solve.
You find a methodology.
No, we cannot take
You
it
do,
directly.
but you've got your emergency funds.
No, it's like
You pay
this.
from
Okay.
there.
See, we will give time only this week. Then if you cannot, we will shut down your company. That is the solution.
See, you see here only 5-6 of us. There are hundreds of us. Okay, we'll come here. We'll shut down.
Okay.
Ngi wan hang ni kamtam na benta ka bangi miya yo kata ka salary. Utaw kontraktor ruki ayang yo udu banana galan. Tangi itu ngi miya itu. Ngila yawan wat wan wat di kini kibahe barok khot ngila wan ut mentala nadu menai September ngila wan ut. Ngila wan ut yang kiki ong bet udai no kontraktor abangi tang yo kontraktor pangim itu dengi phone switch off da phone ong wrong number tingin li wat che ai ken ngimban si mi hap khot ya pise ba pinya yo ya rap le mengi mo te kini yang ni haba dan nongtrei ban ya rap manung ngilale sya tai sya jong GMTD ki ong lek dei sya ni sya sarkel jong pi dawan nang ni sarkel jong pi ki ong dei nang ni kontraktor te ki ong ngimla ban ai tingi ngia jenjan mentala dakut sampai tau nai la don chpau ban ai tingin yan dek kumnu ke ngi mo ngim ban si ya pada pise takada Khublei Shibun ba pila yawan ban ya rap lem yangi te sa yawan biang ken bakin mentar ngim pat yayo hi takap pisa ba yawan bet mo bangin yayo takap pisa na mau ta kontraktor tip mentau la le che ngim tip deng ya pun yara ya switch off te sa ya isen ai lem ken sa yawan bet man kapor mo yang wan ya rap lem mo
Saya yo ini saya dawan ya lama sama.
nama ijing yo jungi ibaret ibatang sau kenta nalo kata shi kenta ru itai khandai pautingka tin long kat nu ha ka shi banai pila ya sung thu hi em tambah kim la apat ban ai lang ni no office ki ong bengim la ngin tang hau kontraktor ni la ban ai ni la le kelen dot de ki bahe la stang hau ni bangim pat wan naman min ha kan ni la wan te umdon ngi kham yo rung de ki suami ki rajes ki dia nang ta ubah ai la ni la sulet chilet tambah long i kham yo re tadu pat mentar ma ta sa shia rap lem ma bakin ni yo bet ma kata ka pisa bang la trish to Khublei Shibun.
Te menda kasngi na kaliang ka VPP Youth Wings lawan ni po Northeast Circle BSNL. Kadaw majungan kajungi kalong ma layo ya ka jujur de kini ki nongtrei ko dan ni office kini ki housekeeper. Ba kim sim layo ya kata ka tulop nanu panai March hanu ni u panai December ko menta. Di undung no kala long spogna ye di nakaliang kajungi ngila srokia habide bakani bat wood pentak step nakaliang kajungi melawan pani kendu ya kini ki nongtrei housekeeper kiba yo i salary ibarat ba bat kiba one tray man la kasgi hakadika office jong kadika BSNL kumpan penkemau ya pi lihat hakipor komensuaru kani hi kejinge kala one pan yaki namar ba Kemyo ya kata ketulop lagi fokus snap, but ya kata kejengke kabang ngilalik ban laung teh po GMTD yang teh po barik hajan hadripa kurang kowe ka BSNL branch yang teh ban ngilai keren begitu kibahe but ngilala ban solve ya kata problem bat lasio ya kata ketulop kejengki te mentak sengipat abang ngilayo ya kejengku jor yang sesisil nang ni po Northeast Circle pat nang ni po BSNL katu ka ningot ki nongtrei housekeeper badai ki pardo persna kujungi ki bayo ita itulop ibrit kim simla yo ya kata ketulop nandu upanai March hadu uni upanai komenta atau urusan te kala pensngo kia ngi kala pensngo bitar ngi balai kata ka office kam simala apan siu ya kata ketulop jong kini ki nongtrei ni ban mentak sengi ngla yo ya kendo ikini ki bahe hangni hapo office BSNL bat ngila keren na kabating ba how ni upana December gidei ban siu ya kani ka tulop jong ini ki housekeeper ban ila por munta hapo steo lada kimla ban siu ya kata tulop ni na kani ka VPP Youth Wings yim ban si ila kren na khamat joki bangin wan ban khangno ya kani ka office bat kai ka ba snosi kolong ba kini ki office ki badan ni hapo state jungi kamtam kini ki company ki bobon mo te ki outsource ya gini ki kam ki prepare ki joki tementa ka jinge kami hangni kan namar ya kan ka kamru la outsource la yo da uta uwe kontraktor ubanang thi na po jumapur dunia kontraktor menta
ula off ya ka phone, ula switch off ya ka phone, bat na kadang kadi ka office kila itu yang i ba ki persang ban phone yu man la ka por man la ka sngi bat kim ju yo yu te kani ka bu jinge na kam ta ki nongtrei ki badon ni ba hado menta ki kilam yo tulop na tu panai mas te perkhat mati kumno kin basah ya ka yeng kesem kumno kin basah kun kiti kumno kin siu ya ka bai school kamdam menta kalade ka panai December mo ka Christmas kalawan lesi wala ki ki perdo ki basnam ki ba jenjar ki baduk ki barit mo ki bawan tray kita ki house ki hapan penkuat ya kan ka building ki hapan sar man step man kasni ki hapan penkuat ya ka toilet hendrai kini ki company kini ki bahe hang bata kontraktor ki kenpo iki kani kalong kum ka employee harassment dena kalian kejungi ngila keran gini ki officer balada auto kontraktor switch off ya ka phone kabha ba kani ka company kani ka BSNL ka badang hani ponot circle hani poshulong kan terminate yo dekai ka pasutunat kolong ba nakalian kejungi jongkiru kila than uni kontraktor bat kila ong ahmat jungi ba kin terminate no yo ni kontraktor ban ai no do way pat u kontraktor kenapa unla ban siu ya kani ka tulop ke jongki nama uni kontraktor hado menta u kelam submit ya ka invoice ke jongku ha kani ka office teka bu jinge kila itu kini ki officer jingi bakat bu jinge yaki kumnu bakin siu ka tulop lada kontraktor submit ya ka bill ya ka invoice nakalian ka office ka dumla ban siu ka tulop ban nakalian jungi ngilakran na ka bating ba kani ka jinge mundai tang kani kesin ka mamta man la ka por kile kumni tingila om ba yaki lada kimla ban siu hong ni upanai December ngina kalian ka jungi ngirwan ngin khang ba office WhatsApp wiru Ngiloong yu ba ki kontraktor hangni apo ka jela ka jungi ki local kontraktor ka jungi ki babon balai fi ma ya ki kontraktor na ka jela ka jungi ki local kontraktor ka jungi balai fi li a ya ki ni ki kontraktor ki panapa dena kalian ka jungi ngila kranshai ya ki ba lada kimla pan siu ya ka tulok hanu upana di samba ko mangla hong na du sedang bangin wan in le ka tnge ban in hang suno dengan office